Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect the USB pendrive to your Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. And to do this you'll need to get the pendrive right here, and it can be the USB-C pendrive like I have right here, or USB pendrive, but if you're using normal USB pendrive you'll need the adapter as well. So let's try it without the adapter. Plug it with USB-C. Now we can unlock our device. Here it might take a while till your USB pendrive is connected. Then scroll down notification bar. Right here click on USB storage. Open it. Inside you can see all of the files from your pendrive and copy them to the hard drive on this phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.